TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 9 a.m. Eastern Time Thursday morning. 30 minutes to go until the opening bell. We got markets in the red right now. S&P negative by 9 points, trading at 33.78. NASDAQ futures negative by 32, trading at 97.01. Dow off about 71 points right now, trading 29,266. Oil catching a bid, up 42 cents at 53.71. 10-year yield negative about 3 basis points at 1.539%. We'll start things off this morning. You see a chart of the S&P. Last night, we actually trade positive after the futures close. 7 p.m. Eastern Time, we make a high of 33.97. We come down to a low, and we just got below this price level, but about 33.77, all the way back at about 2 a.m. to 33.91, and from there, 33.79 in the S&Ps, off about 10 points right now. Jumping over to the other indices, we'll start things off with the NASDAQ 100. You see a similar action last night, higher after the close, lows at about 11 p.m. Eastern Time, not quite under that level in the NASDAQ 100, which compared to the S&P, you can see we're right back at that low. Dow 30, right back at that low as well, 29,269, actually made it up to about 29,431. So you're about 160 Dow points off that high. Crude oil, not stopping. Crude now above $54 at $54.15. We get EIA numbers 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 2 hours from right now for crude because of the Monday holiday. Gold contract, 16.18. And you got to check out the yen. It went from 110 to 111 yesterday. We were talking about it with Teddy Kegstad on the show at 10, and it just went from 111 to 112 today. Penny moves on back-to-back days as weakening in the yen in a dramatic way. News stories out there, starting off Thursday, quite a story in the finance world. Morgan Stanley going to buy E-Trade for $13 billion in the latest deal for online brokerage industry. That's an all-stock deal valuing $13 billion E-Trade. That's translating to $58.74 a share in stock in Morgan Stanley stock for E-Trade. $3.1 trillion in client assets they're going to have after that deal. And Sycamore Partners, they're going to be buying a controlling stake in Victoria's Secret for $525 million. L Brands, though, investors not liking the valuation or the fact they didn't sell it all off. And how about Morgan Stanley, down about $54 on the news that they will be buying E-Trade. Down to $54, I should say. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento live at 9. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. We'll be right back in 3 minutes.